Yo, what is going on everybody? Welcome back, and in this video I'll be showing you guys Southwest Florida's brand new Twitter code in their new update that they just released. Lots of JDM and KDM cars, pretty cool, but we'll be focusing on the update today. So let's actually hop in. So first, what you guys are going to want to do is head over to the left side of your screen, and you should see a settings icon, and then Twitter codes right here, and then the code will be Turkey, and submit, and there we go, code redeemed, and it gives you about $100,000 for free. That is good, lots of money right there. 100k, that is a lot of money. You could probably get some good cars with that. But yeah, that is the Twitter code that came with this update, and here's actually one of the cars that got released in the update. Looks beautiful. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want me to race all the cars in this new update against each other. I know you guys liked a previous video that I did somewhat like that. But yeah, that is going to be it. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.